In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Ethereum or ETH from Binance to Trust Wallet. We'll break this down into easy to understand steps, ensuring that even if you're new to cryptocurrency transfers, you can follow along comfortably. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's start with your Trust Wallet, the destination for your Ethereum. Once you've opened the Trust Wallet app, you'll notice several features right off the bat. These include sending, swapping, funding, and selling options. You'll also see your tokens displayed prominently on the screen. To get started with locating Ethereum, find and tap the search icon, typically situated at the top of your screen. This is your gateway to quickly accessing any token. Search for ETH or Ethereum, and once you've located it, tap on it. This will bring up a screen showcasing a QR code and, more importantly, the ETH address. Go ahead and copy this address. Trust me, this will be your guiding beacon throughout the transfer. Now that we've secured the ETH address from Trust Wallet, it's time to turn our attention to Binance, the platform from which we'll be sending Ethereum. Open up the Binance app and navigate to the Wallet section. Normally, you'd be able to see the Spot section here, which is where your available balance is displayed. Ensure that you have enough ETH balance for the transaction. If you're all set, navigate to the Spot wallet. Within the wallet, you'll be presented with several options: deposit, withdraw, and transfer. On the home page or within the Spot section, locate Ethereum or ETH among your tokens and give it a tap. You'll see two options appear: withdrawal and deposit. Since we're sending ETH, you'll want to click on Withdrawal. In the Withdrawal section, select Send via Crypto Network. Here's where that address comes into play. Paste the ETH address you previously copied from your Trust Wallet into the address field. Now, select the appropriate network. It's crucial to choose the right one, which in most cases is the Ethereum network, to avoid any potential issues or delays. Enter the amount of ETH you wish to transfer. Remember to check for any transaction fees and ensure that you have enough ETH in your Binance account to cover these. Finally, once everything is set, click Withdraw and follow any prompts or security verifications that appear on your screen. These prompts are vital to ensure the security of your transaction, so don't skip this step. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of sending ETH from Binance to Trust Wallet. Feel free to click around, check your balances, and enjoy the seamless transaction experience offered by these platforms. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.